So you are basically from?
I'm from Afghanistan.
Assalamu alaikum. पहली चीज़ जो दिमाग में आती है पाकिस्तान सुनने पे।
Well, it's a neighboring nation that we have.
A country that hates us more than anything else for no reason of ours.
They are considering themselves as enemies.
ऐसा लगता है कि एक आतंकवाद का दूसरा नाम है, एक हमारा दुश्मन है।
Bin Laden was captured in Pakistan and was killed in the Pakistans. What does it show to us? It shows that there is a very close relationship with Pakistan government or regime with terrorism.
So, can I know what your opinions about India-Pakistan tensions?
It's a matter of real concern. My dad's in the Navy himself. So, when I have conversations with him, I understand that
एट दिस पॉइंट इंडिया को कुछ तो करना होगा ना, क्योंकि अमेरिका ने जैसे पाकिस्तान में गए वहाँ पे टेररिज्म को ख़त्म किया। अब इंडिया की बारी है। अब इंडिया कितने बार अपने बार टेररिस्ट की अटैक होगा, तो इंडिया को भी कुछ करना चाहिए।
जब भी देखें चाहे 1971 हो चाहे 1990 हो, कारगिल वॉर हो, हमेशा शुरुआत उन्हीं ने किया है।
रिसेंटली न्यूज़ में आया कि इंडिया एक सर्जिकल अटैक की पाकिस्तान पे, तो आपका क्या व्यू है, ये सही था या गलत था?
yes, in my opinion, a surgical strike is the right method to go about it because technically innocent people do not die in it. That's why it's called a surgical strike.
Well, my opinion is that we have not launched any surgical strike against Pakistan. We have launched a surgical strike against terrorism.
तो हम ट्रेन में जाते हैं, ट्रेन में हम सामने वाले बंदे को सीट नहीं देते, वो कमबख्त पाकिस्तान हमसे कश्मीर मांग रहा है। प्यार से एक बार बोलते बात करनी है, वो बात तो समझ में भी आती। हमारे फौजी हैं जो हमारे भाई हैं, उन पे हमला करके बोल रहे हैं कि हमें कश्मीर चाहिए। अभी तो 38 टेररिस्ट मारे हैं, आगे आगे देखते जाओ अभी और क्या होगा। अभी तो हमारी जंग शुरू हुई है टेररिज्म के खिलाफ।
जो इंडिया भी कर रहा है बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है। अगर भी पाकिस्तान में अगर टेररिज्म नहीं होगा तो किसी को तो वहाँ पर जाके उसको क्योर करना होगा ना।
Some kind of domination must be there. So it's like when we are keep on like showing a white flag and they don't, there is no meaning in it.
I personally believe an eye for an eye will make the world blind, but then something had to be done. They could not just come into our homeland and kill our people. That does not happen.
We all know that Islam is a beautiful religion and it's very nice to practice Islam, but don't you think because of terrorists down in Pakistan, the name of Islam is getting down and there is a different outlook to how people think Islam is?
I'm a Muslim. I know what Islam says. What is Islam? What we have in Islam, religion. But maybe most of the Europes, most of the people who they aren't Muslim, maybe they have a very short or little idea about Islam. But by these actions, negative actions, by the terrorism action, yeah, of course they will have a very bad idea about Islam. They may think, wow, what's Islam? They are Muslims. They shout or they call Allahu Akbar and kill people. Yeah, of course, this is terrible.
आपका क्या मानना है, ये मीडिया जैसे प्रोजेक्ट कर रही है कुछ कुछ चीज़ों को, ये इस अटैक को, क्या ये सही तरीके से प्रोजेक्ट कर रही है या फिर ये टीआरपी का खेल है?
I think the media should really give it a rest. I think they should take it easy. Like, yeah, like, it's okay. We got what's happening. Calm it down. Don't need to set any more fires. Lots are lit already.
The media always has this way of hyping things up to, well, increase their TRP in a lot of ways, which isn't right to the public.
वो और राइवलरीज बढ़ा रही है, ऐसा नहीं कि उसको कम। शाहिद अफरीदी ने ट्वीट किया था कि वार नहीं होना चाहिए, और इंडिया टुडे या टाइम्स ऑफ नाउ ने लिखा है कि शाहिद अफरीदी इंडिया की आर्मी से डर गए।
So do you think war is the solution?
Till now, without any war, we have not got any solution. I just want to stop this.
हर एक चीज़ को बातों से समझाने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए, बट ये हम लास्ट 62 ईयर से हम देखते आ रहे हैं, 70 सालों से देखते आ रहे हैं, तो ये बातों से नहीं समझने वाले, हमें बहुत पहले समझ में आ गया था। तो इसका वार ही एक सॉल्यूशन है पाकिस्तान के लिए।
We have been talking about peace. I believe it's time to literally fight back for the war.
Yeah, fight back. We need to fight back.
We have been
It's not
always on
like
the
war.
defense. We have been always on the defense. Never been too aggressive. never started a war, so I guess.
Since you mentioned permanent solution, yeah, war is a permanent solution because technically we both are nuclear powers, right? So yeah, one bomb, two bomb down, that's it. That's end of India or Pakistan as we know it. So
ये बताओ, अगर तुम उनके 2000 मारोगे तो 4000 तुम्हारे भी मरेंगे.
Then it will be harmful for us and our soldiers and their families as well.
तो कह रहे हैं कि न्यूक्लियर अटैक कर दो उन पे, हम करेंगे इधर से तो उधर से भी होगा, तो आधा हमारा चला जाएगा. तो वो भी तो एक सोचने वाली बात है ना.
The answer to Pakistan is war.
But you know, for Indian war, it costs around 5,000 crore per day for 1 day of war. So it will bring down our economy to such a position that $1 will be equal to 100 rupees. So what are your views on that?
Number is 5,000 crores per day.
Oh my God.
I know war is expensive. War leads to a lot of loss. So we all want to deviate from the war topic. But the scenario demands right now that India should be strong enough right now.
जो हमारे रोज़ रोज़ सैनिक 17-19 जो भी ये लोग काउंटर अटैक करते रहते हैं कुछ समय से, वो उस नुकसान से बेटर है कि आप एक बार नुकसान सह लो.
And do you think this nationalism needs a new definition? The way people are declaring themselves self-declared nationalists on social media.
Facebook, WhatsApp, all should be in a good way to be used. But the people are using in a bad way.
जो लोग ट्विटर पे बैठ के ये लिखते हैं कि वॉर करो, उनके शायद घर वाले किसी भी आर्मी में नहीं है. तुम एसी में ट्विटर पे बैठ के आराम से लिख सकते हो कि वॉर करना चाहिए, लेकिन ये बताओ
तुम्हारी औकात है साले ज्वाइन करने की आर्मी? तुम्हारी औकात नहीं है ज्वाइन करने की आर्मी ज्वाइन करने से पहले कितने क्या बोलते हैं तुम्हारे फिटनेस टेस्ट हो सकता है, तुम वो टेस्ट पास कर सकते हो? नहीं कर सकते हो, तुम्हारी औकात नहीं है, इसलिए तुम ये चीज़ बोल रहे हो.
well, to be honest, I don't follow this social media nationalism at all. I just scroll down to funny memes, to be honest, because that is bullshit. Nationalism, patriotism cannot be fulfilled on a social media platform, to be honest.
So what's your message for the people, for the Prime Minister, maybe government?
Narendra Modi, finally we are seeing something strong happening in India. Please keep it up.
मेरा ये मानना है कि तुम जाके उन लोगों को पूछो जो इस बीच में हैं, कश्मीर के लोगों को पूछो, एक तुम्हारे क्या है बलूचिस्तान जो पाकिस्तान के अंडर में, उन लोगों को पूछो. उनका हम कश्मीर तो करें, बलूचिस्तान का आज तक इशू नहीं उठाया गया. वो इशू हमारे इंडियंस ने उठाया, अपने प्रधानमंत्री ने उठाया और बताया कि बलूचिस्तान खुद पाकिस्तान से फ्री होना चाहता है. तो मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि उनसे जाके पूछो तुम कहाँ जाना चाहते हो, और सबसे अच्छी चीज़ यही होगी उनसे पूछो अगर तुम पाकिस्तान जाना चाहते हो तो पाकिस्तान जाओ, इंडिया आना चाहते हो तो इंडिया आओ, सीधी बात.
Well, to the Prime Minister, I want to say that, see, we love watching cricket, sir. I really love watching India-Pakistan cricket match. So, उसको एक अलग सेक्युलरिज्म में रखो. कंट्री का इशू है, अब कंट्री होती है, क्रिकेट होता है.
So where are you from?
I'm basically half Pakistani, half Indian. Yeah.
So can I know what your opinions about India-Pakistan?
Basically, I feel that the government should just get over themselves and just start talking about peace and all. People do have hate towards each other, but then in most of the majority and stuff, like, they actually want peace. But I think the government is not making it easy for the people as well. So I don't think it's going to happen. It's just the war that has been fought is between the governments, okay? So either you... I was about to swear, yeah. Either you talk about it, okay, and then get over it, or you just leave it alone, okay? If you're not ready to agree on something, it's not a good idea to attack each other. That means the civilians are getting hurt and they didn't do anything.
That's very true. So do you have any message for the government, like in order to attain peace, what should they do?
Basically, just talking about it won't work, fighting about it won't work, so it's basically hopeless. So I'm giving up hope. I don't know what to say. So, yeah.
That's actually a pretty good answer, I think.